Today, I'll show you how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, your Google Calendar will be linked to your HubSpot account, so meetings and events can stay in sync without any manual copying or pasting. I'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along as you do it on your own screen. First, open your preferred web browser and go to HubSpot.com. Make sure you're signed into the HubSpot account where you want this integration to live. If you use multiple HubSpot accounts, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right workspace because the integration will apply to the account you're currently logged into. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage and signed in, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, you'll see an option labeled Marketplace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is where HubSpot keeps all of its apps and integrations, including the connector for Google Calendar. After clicking Marketplace, a drop-down or a new page will appear. From here, you want to choose the HubSpot Marketplace, which is sometimes labeled as the App Marketplace. Click on that option. This will take you into HubSpot's library of integrations, where you can search for tools that connect directly with your HubSpot account. Now that you're inside the HubSpot Marketplace, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the page. Click into the search box and type Google Calendar. As you type, HubSpot will start showing results that match your search. Once the search results load, find the integration specifically named Google Calendar. It should clearly mention that it connects Google Calendar with HubSpot. Click on the Google Calendar result to open its details page. This page usually includes an overview of what the integration does, how it syncs events, and any permissions it needs from your Google account. Take a brief moment to glance through the information on this page, just so you understand what will happen once it's connected. For example, you might see details about how meetings scheduled through HubSpot can appear in Google Calendar, and how calendar events can be associated with records inside HubSpot. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Install button on this page. Click Install. At this point, HubSpot may prompt you to choose the account if you have access to multiple portals, and then it will start the installation process. You'll likely be redirected to sign in to your Google account, or to confirm which Google account you want to connect. Make sure you select the Google account that holds the calendar you use for your work or your HubSpot-related activities. Follow any on-screen prompts from Google to grant the necessary permissions. You may be asked to allow HubSpot to view and manage your calendar events. Review these permissions and then click Allow to confirm. This step is essential for the integration to work properly. Once you've completed the authorization, you'll be taken back to HubSpot and the integration will finalize. From here, your Google Calendar and HubSpot should be connected. You can now start using them together.